Oh hey, my name is Janelle. Do you like this tropical aqua eyeshadow look? If you do, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and of course share this video and subscribe. Starting with a fresh face and pulling these locks back. If you haven't seen the tutorial on this video where I installed these locks, make sure to check the link up top and down below. But let's get into the tutorial because it's nice and quick. So I already did my eyebrows and I'm priming my lids with NYX's HD Pro Concealer. And I'm using my sponge just to blend it out and make sure that it's nice and seamless across my lid. Once that is officially done, I'm going to be grabbing my eyeshadow palette. Today I will be using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. And I will be using this nice dark turquoise color and a fluffy blending brush to just apply that above my crease, on my crease, and just deepen it up a little bit before I applied the actual nice bright aqua bluish turquoise color. But anyway, that is what both of them look like, and I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow with a nice eyeshadow brush. Now, if I would have applied this eyeshadow with my fingers, I'm pretty sure it would have came out nice and opaque, but I definitely had to build up on the color. I didn't really mind it. This color is beautiful, and that is all I am going to be doing to both of my lids. Yes, I love it. So now I'm going in with this brush and I'm going to be going back to the first darker turquoise color and just deepen up my crease a little bit and definitely just give it more depth. As you can see, there's a significant difference between my right eye and my left. So while I am just making sure that both of these eyes look the same, let me know if this is the kind of eyeshadow that you like to play with. Do you like nice, bright, bold colors, or do you like more neutral colors? Make sure to let me know down in the comments. Moving along to another palette, I'm using the Festival palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going in with this darker turquoise color, and I'm adding that to my lower lash line. Not only to one, but to both of them, of course. And now I'm going in with this bright, mid-bright orange, and I'm going to be adding that also to my lower lash line. I mean, at first, honestly, I wasn't feeling it, but I said, you know what, let's just try something different and go with it. So after fixing up my eyebrows, I will go in off camera to apply my mascara and Studio Finish powder foundation. Add some lip gloss. Can't forget the lip gloss. And now I will add my earrings. Yes, can't forget the earrings. Fix my hair a little bit, see what the vibes look like. But oh, we forgot the most important thing. Some highlight. Using It's My Ray's first palette in the shade Radiant. Look at that. Hold on, wait a minute. Look at this. Ooh. Ooh, yes. Look at that highlight. Do you see that? And that concludes this video. If you are feeling these vibes, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, like, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so that you never miss another one, share this video. Listen, thank you for tuning in. I will catch you next time.